Let's go. We're live. I'm Andrew Martyr from marketingsharks.com. This is called Notion Millions from James Renouf. And you can see the second part of that title, 100K months with Notion templates. He's been doing this for a couple of months. He's made a couple $100,000 US, and he's on pace to make $1 million, 7 figures from this. And I'll tell you, this thing is $11, $11.53 or whatever it is. Let's go inside, have a quick look. What is the whole big deal? $11.53 for the whole thing. He's made a couple $100,000, and that's Notion. There you go. So you can see it's basically kind of like Pinterest, organizing of different things. And what people are looking for is templates to put these together. Here you go. For any niche, you can create a Notion knowledge template and sell it to them. And there's hardly any suppliers and huge demand. Everything here, he shows you how to sell them for the most profit, where to go, the easiest way to do this, the whole 9 yards. And he says for him, the biggest challenge is time. I don't have a bunch of time to create these templates. Others are crushing it. So check this out. I'm gonna cut it short. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a little note there from James Renouf, and you click the product box. Boom, you're at this page. You can grab it for about $12, and it is one of the hottest. This is one of those first mover advantages where he goes, wow, there's unbelievable demand for this, and it's $12 to find out all about it. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. It's called Notion Millions. I'm Andrew Martyr from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.